Hello friends! In this video we will talk about a particularly important topic, maintaining the integrity of our energetic aura. In challenging times like what we're experiencing now, with crisis, confusion and uncertainty, we are at increasing risk of mental and spiritual harm. This happens to many of us when we are surrounded by negative frequencies and harsh energies. At such times, we must be careful not to let negative influences invade our personal space. According to the Kabbalah, there are 7 layers of aura around a person that are nourished by 7 surrounding lights. These auras are our personal spiritual shield. You can imagine them as layers of light in different colors that surround you. When we allow negative energies such as anger, fear, or mental stress to control us, our shield weakens. Sometimes tears or weak points are created in one or more of the layers of our aura. Every rupture in the aura is a breach through which the forces of darkness may penetrate and harm a person. Every breach is a weak point through which decrees can enter their life and cause trouble and difficulties. One of the spiritual tools that can help us to maintain the integrity of our aura is the King Solomon's seals. The seal that will help us increase and strengthen the surrounding lights that nourish our aura is seal number 23, the 4th seal of the moon. The seal helps with fortification and protection, and it is intended for anyone who feels that the reality of their life is not protected physically or spiritually. It increases and strengthens the energetic frequency of the lights that surround a person and nourishes the aura. The 4th seal of the moon appears on card number 23 in the Heaven and Earth King Solomon cards. This is card number 23, and the cards I'm referring to are Heaven and Earth. The card indicates that we are in a sensitive state and are exposed to calamities, and we must carefully guard our personal energetic space. If there are blockages and delays in your life, the reason for this may be harmful forces that have penetrated your aura through exposed weak points. Mental stress can cause the immune system to weaken and expose you to infectious diseases. Hostile people may take advantage of your vulnerable weak points and harm you in the most sensitive places or take advantage of you. The advice given by the card is that you must carefully preserve your energies, not to get too tired and not to give in to despair and self-pity. Do not reveal your weaknesses in public and avoid talking about your difficulties. Act calmly and stay away from people who radiate hostility and darkness, and from places where there is a danger of violence or harsh energies. The last and most important point is to engage in activities that strengthen you on a spiritual, mental, and physical level. When we strengthen ourselves from within, our light radiates outward and creates a natural shield against negative influences. It repels any attempt of energetic invasion of our space. I invite each and every one of you to observe your life and identify what activities will fill you with positive energy, what people strengthen you, and how you can apply the advice of the fourth seal of the moon in your daily life. In conclusion, dear friends, remember that our energetic protection is our responsibility. Just as the heaven and earth King Solomon cards teach us, we have the power and wisdom to keep our aura intact and strong, even during challenging times. The heaven and earth King Solomon cards are based on the King Solomon seals, as you can see. The set contains 44 cards bearing the 44 seals of King Solomon that are familiar to us today. Each card will help you understand your current situation and receive immediate answers to questions and insights in every area of your life. They will give you important spiritual lessons relevant to any situation you are in. The cards are available through my website, Kabbalah Insights. The link to the cards page appears below this video. So, thank you for being with me, and see you in the next teachings.